guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be going through my top 3 Michael Kors bags, so why I like them, why I bought them and why I have them. So my first one, which I've actually had for a couple of years now, is the Michael Kors tote bag. Yes, she's a beauty. So as you can see, Michael Kors bags, I think after a while they do start to thread, so I'm not sure if you can see that there's a thread there. Yeah. So this is because I've been wearing it pretty much every single day. I absolutely love this bag. There's so many compartments in this bag. And I've kind of got some of my stuff in there. I love it. You can kind of change the sizes of your strap here at the front. It's super cute, it's super simple. For me personally, I really like kind of biggish bags, so I can put quite a lot of my makeup in there. I can put quite a lot of things that I do need on a daily basis. I really love it. I don't know if you can see, but it's something like this. And a lot of the time I just tend to kind of hold it in my hand, just like that. So this one was priced at £260. Do I think it's a bit overpriced? Yes, I think it's overpriced. Just because I think looking at kind of the quality, the leatherish bit starts to kind of tear. Yeah, I think £260 is a little bit overpriced for Michael Kors, this kind of Michael Kors handbag, but I loved it, so I still bought it. As my second bag, I got this pink Michael Kors. This was actually a limited edition, as you can see. This one is, I think, one of my favorites. Yeah, this is one of my favorites. It's really different. It's a really nice baby pink that they didn't really have in store. And they've got this really nice gold chain here, which matches all the Michael Kors kind of label writing at the front. The inside is really spacious, and then you come to the middle, and you've got like all your little pockets in there. I really love this. Again, this one you would wear it like from this. This you can wear either on a daily basis, or you can wear it on special occasions, on a night out. Whatever you wear it with, it kind of goes really well with. So I do advise this one. This I actually paid £175. So I'm not too sure if they have something like this back in stock. But I have seen like a similar shape in different colours. So if you do kind of like this, maybe go to Esca Village, which they kind of have old stocks. I'm not too 100% sure if they have limited edition kind of things, but this one actually came from the Michael Kors store. I'm really happy with the quality of this one. The rubber around the handles hasn't peeled, and I've kind of had this for a year now, so it has been 1 year less than the brown one. So yeah, I can't really say exactly how long the handles do last, but this one so far is good. And my last one is this cute little side bag with a long string. This is super cute. I love this handbag. It's a really good size. I'm really picky again about small side bags. I've been looking everywhere for a bag where I could fit a lot of things in. There was different designers which they had small side bags. They were super cute, but not the right size for me until I came across the Michael Kors handbag. This one is super cute. It's literally just a simple zip, and inside you've just got the main compartment with some side compartments. You've got the kind of gold strand again on the side, which matches the zip, and again the writing. This comes in loads of different colours. I chose the black one because I didn't have a black Michael Kors handbag, and again because this kind of goes well with everything. On this side you can actually change the length of your strap, so it's super good. And this one I actually paid £160, so it's super good and super cute, and I do recommend this if you're somebody who just wants to put a few bits and bobs, their phone. For myself, who's got a kind of big iPhone, yes, it does fit. Most side bags don't really fit my phone. I tend to fit my pocket. So yeah, I do recommend this bag. I recommend every single bag that I have.
Your phone had my face on it.
So just take a look at that. Yes, with my husband, we're gonna have cute babies. So yes, again, back to the bags. I do recommend all these bags. I super love. I am kind of looking for another bag in a different colour and a different style to add to my collection. So if you guys actually have any advice, or you guys have any bags that you think that I would love, just pop them down in the comments below. I'm going to take a look at them and I'll let you guys know in another video which bag I ended up taking. So it will be ending up to be a part 2 of this video. So I hope you guys all enjoyed this video, and until next time, I love you all. Thank you for watching, and remember to like, comment and subscribe. Bye!
More sharks, more realistic.